welcome to RS tutorial. Today we discuss more questions about Markovnikov's rule and anti-Markovnikov's rule. If chlorine is directly bonded to hydrogen, that means chlorine is in conjugation. In this case, what is the product? This is an important question and asked in NEET JEE. How to write the product here? When chlorine, its lone pair is conjugation with pi bond or lone pair pi bond conjugation, then its Plossar effect is predominant. Okay, Plossar effect predominant हेले ए pi bond टा याडू को शिफ्ट हे जिवो. ओके, ताले एटा नेगेटिव हे जिवो, एटा पॉजिटिव हे जिवो. तो H प्लस टा चली जिवो एठी की Cl टा आसी जिवो एठी. तो प्रोडक्ट इज आंसर इज CH 3 CH Cl and Cl. This is the correct product. Okay, all of you remember, when chlorine is in conjugation, then Plossar effect dominates and the product is like this. Here in this case chlorine is not in conjugation because this is sp3 hybridized. Yeah, sigma bond pi bond, eta conjugation habani. This is not a conjugation system, conjugated system. Sigma bond pi bond alternate rehele seta habo conjugated system. Okay, so here minus I effect of chlorine predominant. Then minus I effect means it will withdraw electron, so pi bond shifted to here. So H plus will added to here and chlorine will added to here. So product is CH2, here Cl, CH2, CH2, Cl. This is the major product. Like this, minus I, where minus I effect is predominant when there is no conjugation, where Plossar is predominant when there is a conjugation. You have to remember this. Okay, this is the conceptual based questions and very important questions. Then comes to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, this occur in place of in presence of peroxide. In presence of peroxide, this is also called peroxide effect and observed by Kharas. Therefore, it is called Kharas effect. Okay, it follows free radical mechanism. This follows ionic mechanism. This follows free radical mechanism. Okay, in case of free radical mechanism, only bromine is easily generated and stable free radical. Therefore, HF, HCl and HI are not showing anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, so why they are not showing? Their bond energy is very high and peroxide unable to derive free radical from these molecules. They are more polar. They always remain as H plus F minus, H plus Cl minus. Peroxide always proceeds through free radical mechanism and from these free radicals are difficult to generate due to their high bond dissociation energy and high electronegativity. However, in HI, free radical is easily generated. I dot is easily generated, but it is short-lived. It immediately consumed into I2. Therefore, mechanism with I dot free radical is very difficult. It is immediately consumed to I2. Therefore, this is also not showing anti-Markovnikov's product. Okay, so exactly you write the opposite product. In Markovnikov's rule, H plus goes to more hydrogen and Br minus goes to here. But in this case, H goes to here, Br goes to here. Anti-product, opposite product. This is the minor product in Markovnikov's rule, but here this is the major product. Okay, and it follows free radical mechanism. All of you saw free radical mechanism in NCERT and free radical stability also 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. By adding in this manner, here bromine will first added and we get a secondary free radical to get this important or major product. Okay, this is anti-Markovnikov's rule. I will discuss one question here. You see, if in exam question is given like this, HCl, here peroxide is there, then what is the major product? Then what is the major product in this case? Most of the student retain this product because peroxide is there, but this is the wrong product because peroxide has no effect on HCl. Okay, peroxide has no effect on HCl. This reaction will take place and the product is in accordance to Markovnikov's rule. It follows Markovnikov's rule and this is major product. Okay, पिला मान को घबराया पाई पेरोक्साइड दे देथिबो, HCl दे देथिबो, तो पिला माने तरबर रे कोन करंदी, पेरोक्साइड अछि बोली एंटी मार्कोनिकस रूल रे प्रोडक्ट लिखि देबे. This is wrong because peroxide has no effect on HCl. किंतु मेजर प्रोडक्ट हबो एटा रिएक्शन हबो अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिकस रूल. मार्कोनिकस रूल अनुसार H+ टा जीवो एठी की Cl टा जीवो एठी. Okay, this is Markovnikov's rule and anti-Markovnikov's rule. एटा सबुले क्वेश्चन आसे. मोर नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे मु SN1 and SN2 मेकानिज्म विषय रे डिस्कशन करी. थैंक यू.